When the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, guys. Today we're on Day 20, which was the end now, guys. After today, only 5 episodes left, so let's go on Day 20. Okay guys, that is today's build. It's basically some sort of cannon, so I'm going to say it's the Echo base cannon, which is like pretty cool, guys. I've had these builds before, but yeah, they are really nice. I do like them. But yeah guys, that's today's build. It does look alright, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you later. Goodbye.